Welcome to English Unlock Podcast. I'm Alex, and today's episode is for anyone who understands English but still feels nervous speaking it. Does that sound like you? Maybe you listen to others speak fluently and think, why can't I speak like that? Maybe your brain knows the words, but your mouth doesn't move fast enough. Or maybe you just feel shy and afraid of making mistakes. Well, today we are going to fix that because fluency is not magic, it is training. Just like learning to ride a bicycle, you fall a few times, but then it becomes automatic. In this episode, I'll show you how to train your mouth, your mind, and your memory to speak English naturally, even if you're a complete beginner. Stay with me till the end because I'll also share a simple 15-minute daily speaking plan that can change your English in just a few weeks. Ready? Let's start your fluency journey right now. But here's something many learners never realize. Fluency doesn't come from grammar books. It comes from practice rhythm. When we were kids, we learned our first language by listening, not by studying. We listened to our parents, our teachers, our friends, and slowly words became natural. English works exactly the same way. Most learners understand English, but rarely use it aloud. That means your brain understands, but your mouth isn't trained yet. It's like a singer who knows the song in their head but hasn't practiced singing it. So if speaking feels slow, that's normal. Your brain just needs more repetitions of real spoken English. Let's talk about 3 big reasons why many learners get stuck. Number 1, fear of mistakes. You think you must speak perfectly. But communication is more important than perfection. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes every day. Number 2, lack of consistent practice. Watching English videos is good, but speaking daily, even 10 minutes, is powerful. Without consistent practice, your confidence disappears fast. And number 3, no speaking habit. You may understand English quietly, but never speak out loud. To build fluency, your mouth must move every single day. Here's the truth. You don't need to study more English. You need to train your English like a skill. And just like the gym, small daily workouts give the biggest results. Now that you know why speaking feels hard, let's make it easy. Here's the simple formula to build fluency step by step. Step 1. Listen first, then speak. Choose short English audio, like a podcast episode or video. Listen carefully, not just to words, but to tone, rhythm, and pauses. Then repeat the same lines aloud. This builds your ear-mouth connection. Step 2, shadowing practice. Shadowing means speaking together with the audio. You listen and speak at the same time, like singing along to a song. It trains your pronunciation, speed, and rhythm automatically. At first, it's difficult. But after a few days, you'll notice your mouth becoming faster and smoother. Step 3. Repeat and recycle sentences. Repetition creates fluency. If you hear a good phrase, repeat it many times this week. Use it in your own sentences. For example, if you learn, "Can I get a cup of coffee?" try using, "Can I get a ticket?" "Can I get some help?" "Can I get your opinion?" The more you recycle one pattern, the faster you speak. Step 4, self-talk training. This is one of the most powerful fluency tools. Talk to yourself in English during the day, quietly or aloud. Describe what you're doing. I'm making breakfast. I'm going to the store. I'm reading a message. It might feel silly at first, but this habit turns English from study into real life. Step 5. Speak, record, and review. Record your short practice sessions on your phone. Then listen again and notice your pronunciation, speed, and confidence. This is how you measure progress and motivate yourself to keep going. Now, let's put everything into a simple daily routine. Here's your Unlock English 15-minute fluency plan. Minutes 1 to 5. Listen to one short English audio or podcast. Focus on how words sound and connect. Minutes 6 to 10. Shadow the same audio. Speak with it. Try to match the rhythm and intonation. Minutes 11 to 15. Practice self-talk using phrases you learned today. Use them in 2 to 3 short sentences about your life. That's it, just 15 minutes. But if you repeat this plan every day for 30 days, you'll notice a huge change. You'll think faster, speak smoother, and feel more confident. Remember, fluency is not about speed. It's about comfort and connection. Even if you speak slowly, if your message is clear and confident, you are fluent. So from today, stop chasing perfection. Start training your fluency like a skill. And trust me, your future self will thank you for the small steps you take today. If you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend who's also learning English. Subscribe to Unlock English Podcast for more simple daily conversation lessons. And remember, you don't need perfect English, just practiced English. I'll see you in the next episode.